What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today's shave is dedicated to the memory of Jill Snodden, who recently passed away. I didn't know Jill very well, so I don't really have a whole lot to say about her. I just want to express my condolences to her family if they do see this. Jill was a beloved member of this shaving community, made a lot of videos, had a good channel, and she's going to be missed by a lot of people. So this shave is for you, Jill. Brush I'm going to be using today is my Yaqi Barber Pole brush here. Going to go with the RazoRock Hawk here, version 2. Going to be using some RazoRock soap. This is American Barber, a nice barbershop scent. And I'm going to go ahead and get my brush locked and loaded. I'm going to do a face shave and a head shave at the same time. Alright, hope everybody is having a nice week. Hope everybody is having smooth shaves. It is Wednesday evening. Just got done playing some golf. Actually, it's not Wednesday evening, it's Tuesday evening. By the time you guys will see this, it'll be probably Wednesday evening. Just got off the course. I play in a Tuesday night golf league. Had a really good game tonight. Ended up, for 9 holes, ended up shooting a 46. So, not a bad game. Not a bad game for me. I started playing golf in November. For some of you guys who may be new to the channel, I love golf. It's my favorite sport. Next to shaving, it's probably my... well, not next to shaving. It surpasses shaving. It's my #1 passion, and then shaving would be #2. I know, blasphemy, right? Yeah, RazoRock soaps are awesome. For the price, you can't beat the performance. And they always have really, really good, reasonable deals on the Italian Barber website. I probably should have loaded the brush a little longer. We're going to paint some water in. I'm excited because I got some stuff coming in the mail. A friend of mine sent me a razor to try, but I'm not going to reveal to you what it is until I get it in the mail. It's not a straight razor. That's all I'll tell you. But I'm really looking forward to using it because I know a lot of people really like this razor. And I'm really looking forward to trying it out. I'll bet some of you can probably guess what it is. I won't give any hints. You'll just have to wait and see. So I was watching some other channels this week, and I heard that DC Shaves is no longer making videos. I believe because he doesn't have the time to do it because they're working again back in the UK. So DC Shaves, or Dave, if you see this, good luck to you. Wish you well. Thanks for all the great content. I'm gonna miss your channel. You have to stop back every now and then and just check in, just do a, how you doing shave, I guess. Alright, here we go, first pass. Fresh Kai Captain Pink blade in this razor. And I've had some head shaves with this razor off camera. And for those of you who have been following me for a little while, you'll know that before, when I was doing head shaves, before I changed my technique, I complained that I got terrible shaves with this razor. And now that I'm only doing single pass shaves with the grain, I've been having nothing but great shaves. No irritation or anything like that. This razor is awesome. And yes, I am shaving my head daily, if you were wondering. A shave with the grain, 2 passes usually it takes. Yeah, 2 passes it usually takes for me to shave my head. I can get it pretty smooth or satisfactory. Every now and then I have to do a 3rd pass just to clean it up a little bit. But for the most part, switching up the technique to single pass or with the grain passes has really made head shaving a lot better for me. Alright, here we go for the face. Really, really, really nice razor. These Kai Captain pink blades are really decent blades. And they are mild. Very, very gentle blades. And you can get a decent amount of shaves with these blades. I've already got about 10 shaves on my Feather Artist Glove. I've got a Kai Captain pink blade and that razor. And yeah, about 10 shaves. Looking forward to seeing how many shaves I can get with it. Meaning how many shaves I can get with the Kai Captain pink blade in the Feather Artist Club. I have a feeling I'll be able to get over 20 shaves. In the RazoRock Hawk though, I'm probably gonna get less because I got a lot more hair on the top of my head, which is thicker to get through, and I'll probably end up not getting as many shaves. But we'll see. I'm gonna keep track of it. This is shave number 1. I'll keep you guys updated with how many shaves I'm able to get with these. You have to tell me in the comments below, for you head shavers out there, what are some of your favorite razors to use for head shaves? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to try all my razors again, all my DE razors, single edge razors. I'm going to, now that I've switched to with the grain passes only, I do some cross grain passes. Got some weepers tonight. The weather has been pretty hot here. It started to cool off, and then the temperatures got back up into the 90s again. And my skin has been breaking out. Part of the reason why I haven't been making videos lately is because the breakouts were so bad on my face that I've had to skip shaving for a couple of days just until the irritation went away a little bit and I was able to shave without cutting any of the blemishes open. Alright, that looks good. I've also just been really busy. Work is picked up. As soon as we send jobs out, more jobs are coming in, which is not a bad thing. I also had to recertify for my level 2 in X-ray, so I had to take some time and study for a test. I passed both my written, practical, and specific. I have a new superior, a level 3 in X-ray, who rewrote the test. So I had to make sure I knew my material. I recertify every 3 years. And with radiography, there is a lot of material you have to study. You have to study up and brush up your math skills, a lot of inverse square law, geometric unsharpness, calculations. And with the type of radiography that I do, I don't really use that math all that often because I'm not working with a live radioactive source. I'm working with an X-ray machine. So a lot of the math in my profession I don't typically use, except for the geometric unsharpness calculation to calculate how far to place the specimen between the camera, how high I need to be to get a decent image. Alright, just about done here. Alright, that feels good. I'm going to rinse up here. Yeah, man, not a bad shave tonight. Not a bad shave tonight. A really nice shave. Alright, so I'm going to finish off the shave with Fine American Blend, an awesome aftershave splash. Pairs well with the American Barber. Good healthy dose. Ooh, and some burning tonight. And three squirts of Zingari Man Balm. 1, 2, 3. About that much. For the entire dome and face. And that's going to do it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys all have a wonderful week. And to the family of Jill, if you see this video, I express my condolences to you guys and wish you all the best. You are in my thoughts. Take care, ladies and gentlemen. I'll catch you again soon for another shave.